All right, so we've got these things here, and we're gonna put some paint inside and then roll the balls around. So let's pick a few colors that you want for the inside.
Red.
Okay. Leela, would you like any red? Want some red? You're right. What else do you need? You want some of everything?
Yeah.
All right. A little bit of everything.
Hmm?
So we're gonna put the ball inside. We're gonna put the ball inside like this and roll the ball around, and it should paint for us. So like, oh, I think the paint might be too thick. Whoops, get back over there. But here, like tilt it around and let it roll and see what happens. This paint is too thick.
No, I'm afraid.
Purple.
All right, Campbell, hold this one.
Okay.
And tilt it around and let it move. Leela, sit. Oh, good. Tilt it some more. Let it run through there.